How's it going? How's it going, everybody? This is Black Apino, the Apple Guy, and today I thought I would do a quick tutorial on how to pair your AirPods to your Apple device. Now, this will work for the iPhones as well as the iPads. I've had a lot of people who've been buying AirPods or who want to do an AirPod but not really exactly sure how they pair with your phone. If you're not familiar with how to pair a set of Bluetooth headphones to your phone, and you've got a pair of AirPods that you got for the holidays or for Christmas or for whatever, this tutorial is pretty much going to show you how to do that. It's really simple, and we're just going to get right into it. The first thing you're going to do is step one is to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. If it is not turned on, you are going to want to turn it on, as obviously it will not connect without the Bluetooth on. Next thing you're going to do is you are going to go back in. You're going to open your case. Before you do that, you'll notice there's a little notch right here. That is what you're going to use to pair your AirPods to your phone. As you can see, I've already done this previously before, as I've had these for quite a bit, for about 2 weeks. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open them up. And then the first thing that's going to happen is as you open it up, it's going to show a little green dot. They do come partially charged when you get them. The next thing you'll see on your phone is it'll say not your AirPods. AirPods cannot connect to this phone. You're going to hit the connect button. Then on the back, as you can see, there is a little button that's telling you to press. You simply just press on that for a few seconds. And then once it's done, it's saying connecting. And then as you can see, your AirPods are now connected to your Apple device, and it will give you the battery life of not only the device itself but the charging case that it comes with. As you can see, you can charge this up via Lightning to USB, which it will come with. So anytime you feel that you want to know how much battery life you have on your AirPods and you're not sure, simply just pull out your case, flip it up, and then what will happen is that it will show you right there, and then you'll know exactly how much is left. And then if you need to do a quick charge up, do a quick charge up. You can also find it as well as with an app called Batteries, which, as you can see right here, it will show more. And as you can see, it will also show that without having to show the annoying display. You can just simply look at that, and it will give you that, as well as any other Apple devices that you have connected to your iPhone, which obviously have an Apple Watch, so it gives me that as well as the phone battery, the AirPods themselves, and the air charging case. And that is basically all you have to do. That is how that works. And then if you simply want to unbluetooth them, you just basically go back into your Bluetooth settings, and then what you're going to do is you're going to look for your Bluetooth or your AirPods, which, as you can see, will it be labeled whatever you want them to be labeled to. You click on the little eye right there, and then once you do that, it'll bring you up to that. And then once you hit the forget device, it automatically disengages the Bluetooth, and you can give them to someone else, and then they too can pair them if they want to with their device. So again, this is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. As always, please feel free to browse my channel, and have a good day.